Hi guys, it's Anne here again and welcome to another episode of Very Unusual. So in this video, I'll be talking about this Herbatint permanent hair color. Actually, I've been using this for years and when I offered them for a collaboration, I'm so happy that they agreed because I really love this product. Anyway, just to show you what's inside, it has this two solutions. At the same time, it has this instruction on how to use it, and plus some gloves inside so as to keep the coloring really tidy. Also, they have this application kit where you could find these things to keep the process really easy to do. At the same time, they also have this, I call them the perfect duo. It's shampoo and conditioner, so they really help in keeping my hair color rich, at the same time damage free for my hair, and of course looking shiny as I use this perfect duo shampoo and conditioner every day. They are cruelty free, at the same time no parabens and silicons and stuff like that, so you're sure that they're all safe. Even this permanent hair color, it's really safe. Just to give you a background, as my hair is also aging, I've been getting a lot of gray hair. So since then, I had decided to just keep my dark hair with me because I thought that's very easy to maintain. But just for a change, I decided again last year, I guess that was October of last year, to transition to light colored hair. So since I'm used to coloring my hair with something that's really dark, actually that was dark chestnut, the one that I had been using before, so it would be really hard to transition from a lighter shade instantly at once. So what I did, I started using light chestnut when retouching my hair, and I thought the light chestnut is not far from the dark chestnut that I had before. So my hair has not been looking really messy. I thought the combination of color is really good. So now that I had been doing that for months, I can see the rest of my hair looking lighter already. Plus, yeah, I'm so happy with this light shade too because it does cover gray hair 100% despite that it's something light. So it's also very easy to apply. That's what I'd be showing you today. So I will just be sectioning my hair into 4 parts. And as you can see, I already have a lot of gray hair. So what I like about this product is that it's so gentle, it's so natural that I can leave it for like 40 minutes or even longer if I'd like even more vibrant color. Plus the fact that it doesn't sting or it doesn't hurt my scalp, it doesn't leave it dry. Plus, I can leave it long without the harsh fragrance or scent because it doesn't smell anything at all. That's what I'm also happy about this. And I had used some brands before, and honestly guys, with those brands, actually I had damaged my hair a lot, plus the ammonia, right? So that time, after coloring my hair, it looked really damaged. Not unlike with this one, after applying this color, actually my hair would even look softer, shinier at the same time. If you've seen my videos last year, right, I had my hair cut. My hair was just this long and now it's pretty long. I managed to grow it longer. Okay, I managed to grow it longer, and I thought that's really for me because I'm not used to really brushing my hair all the time, and I'm not really into rebonding and other hair treatments. Price-wise, it could be really expensive, especially if you're getting it in the Philippines. Actually, I guess it's 30 to 40% more compared to other brands. And if you have friends and you'd like to combine other products, maybe you could just put these products together and just get it from iHerb. It's a lot cheaper. So from iHerb, it's only around $7 to $8. And yeah, it's all worth it, guys. I'm telling you. So that's about it, guys. It's not messy at all. So I'll just then comb this one, then I'll tie my hair first and I leave it for 40 minutes. Another good tip that I do, and I'm sure you could make use of it as well, before coloring your hair, make sure to apply a little amount of Vaseline gel, petroleum gel, around the corners of your ears and on your neck, on your forehead, or on the lines of your forehead over here. So that would be very useful so as not to scatter the hair color all around you. But still, if you happen to get some hair coloring product around here or on your forehead, then that would be very easy to remove if you applied Vaseline petroleum gel before coloring your hair. Hi guys, so I'm back after 40 minutes and obviously I don't have my brows anymore, but I've already washed my hair. So I'd just like to show you closely. Finally, here you go. Let me just move it. All right, see that? So no more gray hair. Indoor, it looks like it's still dark, but outdoor, it looks lighter already. All right, but the important thing is I no longer have gray hair. And it's so easy to manage. It feels really soft, and I thought it looks kind of shinier. Actually, this one is also good for 2 applications. That's right. So if you're just using or retouching your hair, you could use it for 2 applications. So that will save you a lot too. So once again, if I am to rate this product, I will be giving it 10 out of 10. Really, I highly recommend it to you all. Once again, guys, if you enjoyed this video and if you like it, please don't forget to give it some love. And of course, subscribe to my channel and smash that notification bell. Follow me on Instagram too at Very Unusual. Hopefully, I'll see you again next week. Bye. Keep safe, everyone. Thank you.